Bueno, aquí estamos en el Hellerick Family Farm. So, que es temporada de raspberries picking. So, vamos a estar agarrando raspberries, que son las cerezas o las... Oye, ¿cómo se llama esto en español? Moras, no son moras. ¿Son moras? Frambuesa, esa palabra que estaba buscando, frambuesa. Bueno, aquí piqueando.
¿Dónde están las flores?
Piqueando las frambuesas. Vamos a ver.
But I should wash them. Should I wash them or eat them right now?
Tómala, pruébala.
Mira, yo tengo más grande uno.
¿Qué tal? ¿Está buena?
Wanna take some?
Ok, ¿vas a probar? Gracias.
Un día pones yo era pequeño y se están también era pequeño. Mira, abuelita.
¿Encontraste? ¿Tú entendés que no es este, no es el otro?
No, ese no es el que nosotros no es pasar, el que vamos a ver la más grande.
No, pues these berries are delicious.
No, pues yo he hecho el gringo también, ¿no? No me acordaba cómo se llamaba en español. Me van a tirar como los pelados eso, me van a tirar a mí. Está bueno.
Sí.
Okay.
Hey,
What are you doing?
This is how to grab raspberries.
How?
Yeah. Look how many raspberries I have. A lot.
A lot? That's a lot?
Mm-hmm.
Have to pick more.
And they're delicious.
They're delicious.
Just like purple berries and blackberries. Oh, never use blackberries. You can. Okay, let's try. Yeah.
Try one. Just try one.
Oh, looks like a purple berry.
Yeah. So you have to look for the purple.
Look, a butterfly.
You scared?
No.
Look at this one.
Wait, are those purple berries? Or yes?
Yeah.
Goodness shake.
Mire.
Wow.
Agarra bien que vas a sacar ese.
Mira.
Wow. More purple berries. We can make the grandma
Sí,
shake.
cógete acá, papi, cógelo bien.
¿Qué color es ese?
Este,
El otro.
este,
Ajá, ¿qué color es ese?
rojo.
Rojo. ¿Tú eres gringo?
Yeah.
Sigan recogiendo, que vamos para el otro lado a ver las flores. Bueno, creo que vayamos a recoger las flores. Pero vamos a los juegos.
These look delicious.
Bueno, y de vuelta aquí a Hellerick Family Farm. Los niños cogieron ahí unas que otras moras. Y bueno, vamos a entrar aquí a ver qué hay. Están el juego ese ahí, no sé, caminar allá arriba, no sé cómo se llamará. Vamos a ver los animalitos que tienen aquí y unas cuantas flores. ¿Ah? ¿Se puede sacar?
No sé.
La cara.
Yo tenía una cabra que se llamaba Sucia. Oye, no te le vas a aparecer en la noche al chino en el cuarto, ¿no? No te le vas a aparecer en la noche al chino en el cuarto, ¿no? Dale un beso al chino, dale un beso al chino. Dale un beso al chino, dale un beso al chino para su video. Dale un beso al chino a todo su público. Dale un beso al público del chino, a ver, a todos los fans. Dale un beso a todos los fans. Mira. Oye, Michael, te rasca la espalda en la pared. La cabra, la cabra.
¿Y qué foto? ¿Tú qué foto?
puta de la cabra.
No me va.
¿Qué?
Mírame, oye.
Tienes que poner esa canción de fondo, chino, y no parte el video.
No, porque eso tiene copyright.
No creo que tenga copyright esa canción.
Eso tiene copyright. Todas las canciones tienen copyright.
Cabrita. Sal de ahí, chiva, chivita, sal de ahí, de ese lugar.
Sigue comiendo.
Oye, tápate que te den las tetas y el chino le dan ganas después. Oye. El chino cuando ve una mujer tetona. El chino cuando ve una mujer tetona. Y la arriba tanto que hacen el... ¿No te le vas a presentar en el cuarto chino a las 3 de la mañana cuando esté todo esté apagado o sí? Sí, ya te está viendo chino, se va a aparecer en tu cuarto, dice más tarde. Y mira, ya se te va a aparecer, mira, esa, la cámara que está en la esquina, a la izquierda. Esa se te va a aparecer a las 3 de la mañana en el cuarto chino. La que está a la izquierda. Mira, madre, la que está a la izquierda, esa se le va a aparecer el chino a las 3 de la mañana en el cuarto.
Lucas. Hay que preguntar, pues. Ya sí que pagar o no.
O esta es la entrada para esta cosa.
Vamos a entrar para eso.
Ajá.
Entonces hay que pagar. Oh, pero ahí hay más juegos. Mira que es todo eso de allá, no sé. Entonces, ojo, porque está cerrado ya.
Yo no creo que chino, yo no creo que se pueda subirse ahí.
No creo, está muy chiquito ese mundo.
Ah, sí, y ahí arriba se va a volver. No. Claro que cae guindando, pero después. ¿Te vas a subir con el man?
¿Quién lo va a ir a coger? Yo no. No estoy con ganas de subirlo. Bueno, y ahora entrando a la otra parte del parque. Aquí están más los juegos para niños.
Ya, yo le tomo ya.
¿Le tomo una foto a las mariposas?
This is Lucas again. Look at these lovely little butterflies.
Ya, ahora sí te
And how they made caterpillars. The end.
Con tu hermano, Lucas.
Aquí se lo está explicando. ¿A la gente que está viendo la cámara o qué? A la gente que está viendo el video tienes que ver la cámara.
Siéntate allá, papi, ve, con tu hermano. Bueno, esto va a
That's the end of the butterfly story. So let's continue down.
Ten esa botella, madre, ten esa botella.
Ana,
So
siéntate
there's
allá.
another
Ana, siéntate
butterfly.
ahí en el
And then my brother's the back and he's so
Lucas.
crazy.
Vamos a hacer un tractor.
Está haciendo un... Está explicando a la gente.
Let me go here.
Oh, look at me running here. Okay, look at me.
I'm broke.
¿Es safe o no? ¿Qué es esto?
Well, did you watch the video about where we picked the raspberries?
¿Y ahora qué estás haciendo entonces?
What
Después
is this
de...
one for, Lucas? Lucas, what is this for?
tomar foto. ¿Qué te di para tomarte foto?
Espérate un ratito que te voy a tomar una foto tuya.
Lucas, ¿qué te di?
I'll be back to get you guys for the hayride.
Okay, thank you.
Hayride's about half an hour.
All right, thank you.
Okay? You're welcome.
Lucas.
Que viene para llevarnos en un recorrido ahí montados en... Pues como media hora el recorrido.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Es parte de esto. De entrar.
Mírame.
Sebastian,
Do that.
Sebastian, that's an obstacle race.
¿Dónde?
Do that. You're born.
Lucas, that's an obstacle race. Right there, those tires.
Wait, Dad, is this the bill of Benjamin Franklin?
No, it looks like.
Sebastian, you were
Yeah.
born on 2014. Come on, I was born on 2016. The Angry Birds movie was made on
No tengo más
2016.
que
Oh
hacer.
yeah, you're right. Benjamin Franklin died one day. And Real
Mira, mira.
2
Ponte ahí.
was made on 2014. Hey, get me. No.
Se mucha bulla, hijo de puta.
Yeah. Lucas, the obstacle race.
We have to go over there, then go over there, then go to the side,
Lucas,
go to the other side.
You have to jump on the tire.
With sand on them. But we don't have to fall any holes, or else you have to start over. Now we have to build up the tires. Wait, Dad, were these tires of cars?
Mm-hmm.
And yep, these are real tires. We have to carry them. It looks like a monster. Why does this look like a monster truck? The wheels. I don't know, but now you have to
Look.
carry.
Look, those tricycles. Those like bikes, look. For you to ride around there.
Now we have to get out.
Oh,
Now we have to go
that,
to these
papi, that's for 5 years younger. It's not for you guys.
No, ya no.
No, Mario, eso para menores de 5 años.
5 años y...
Papi,
to go to the tires.
A Lucas.
And do not fall.
te vas a asfixiar en los zapatos, Elena.
Explica qué estás haciendo. Bueno, no sé qué estás haciendo, Lucas.
Now we have to grab sand and put it on the bucket.
Bueno, aquí solo para niños de 5 años y más pequeños. Ahora vamos al ride. A ver qué tal. Ay, que hace calor. Oh, me caigo. Yeah. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. All right, so thank you for coming. My name is Paul Hellerick. I'm one of the owners of the farm. Thanks for coming out on a cool summer day. A little warm. Anyway, farm started as a farm in 1785. It took them 9 years to build the original farmhouse, which you'll see when you go up the hill. That house was finished in 1794 when George Washington was president. And the land's been farmed every year, so this is our 229th year of farming on our land. My family immigrated from Germany in the 1840s and bought the farm about 1870. So it's now been in my family 7 generations. Quite a long time. And the farm was 80 acres in size, but 1939, 611 cut us right in half. And now we had 40 acres, so the other 40 on this side. And then my dad and uncle split again. My uncle had a house of 10 acres, which they sold to an architectural firm. And now we have 30 acres of land here. And the most important thing you're going to learn on this whole little trip we have today is the fact that our land is preserved. Which means that when they come here with their kids, or you come with your kids, and they come here with their kids and grandkids, there will be no houses here. You cannot build houses on our property. It will stay open land forever. And many of the farms around here are like that. It's called land preservation. So even if we stop to our business, the land will still be here open, no houses, no toll brother development.
What is the building right there across?
Prison.
Yeah,
I'm sorry, it's a school.
Is it a school?
Sort of the same thing, right?
Yeah.
If you don't show up, they're going to find you, right? If you try to leave, they won't let you, right?
Where is the jail?
The jail's actually in downtown Dorton.
Right, so it's just straight that way?
Yeah. That's actually Tohican Middle School
Oh,
in Central Bucks. Yeah, so
yeah.
this is 611. If you make a 611 and don't get on the bypass, go straight, you'll go right to the jail.
Yeah, I used to work at the detention center.
Okay.
So
Yeah, yeah. I was joking. It looks like a detention center. Yeah. It's a 3-story middle school.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Well.
It's huge, you know, for sure. Because in Central Bucks, the kids are middle school's 8th, 7th, 8th, and 9th.
Oh wow.
Yeah, but they're going to change that. I don't know how they're going to do it, but they're going to change it. All right, so we're going on a hayless hayride. Most important thing is just stay seated at all times. Okay?
All right.
All right.
Bueno, ya saben, vamos a dar una vuelta aquí por las tierras de la familia. Vamos a ver qué tal están.
It's a pretty spot to stop right here. And talk about the sunflowers. Sunflowers will be. This field will be in full bloom next weekend. It's going to come that fast. They're very close. See the yellows inside the flowers. So these will all turn. They'll all be blooming next weekend. This field will also be all blooming next weekend. So it's going to be spectacular. They'll be good for about 10 days. If anybody wants to, we offer professional photo shoots. You're already dressed up and you get a professional photographer in the sunflowers. Kind of cool. Then the rest of them, those other ones will be yellow, but then they'll turn. And the next, so these are 63 days sunflowers. They'll bloom in 63 days. But the next field has 63 to 110. But so after the yellows are done, then the pinks will come out, then the oranges will come out, the reds will come out, the whites will come out. So we'll have different color sunflowers over the course. And that field next to the hayride will be a sunflower maze in the fall. All right. Who's from Pennsylvania? I know you guys aren't. New York or New Jersey?
Jersey.
Jersey. One of the by your accent, New York from Pennsylvania.
Well, it was originally in New York, but no.
That's sure. Pennsylvania?
Yeah.
Pennsylvania?
Yeah.
All right. What does the word Pennsylvania mean?
No clue.
We just came from Jersey, so.
Do you have any idea?
No.
Right. So the word Pennsylvania, the first 4 letters is P-E-N-N. Whose name is that?
William Penn.
William Penn.
Right.
He founded Pennsylvania. The second part of that word is Sylvania, and that means woods or woodlands. So Pennsylvania means Penn's woods. So he went over to King George of England, got charter for the land, came over and said, there's a lot of trees here, so he'll name it after himself. My woods or Penn's woods. So that's Pennsylvania, that's what that means. So the farm above us, Bellcrest Farms, founded 1690, Plumstead 1743, the township 1785. So 1785, the guys came here. No women, no children. They cut some trees down. They built a shack to live in for 9 years. And then while they're doing that, they cut the trees down, like those trees. Okay. And then they had to take the stumps out of the ground by hand. Could you imagine?
Oh yeah.
So it took them 9 years to clear the land down to the farmhouse. Built the farmhouse. The front inch is 5'8". They got duck, 30-inch walls, 24-inch windowsills. 24-inch windowsills. Your windowsills are like this big, right? The 24-inch window. As a kid, I used to go into the windowsills, put the curtains in front of me, and hide. And they couldn't find me because they had to go search every 30 windows in the house to find me. Yeah, it was pretty mean. And that did not have indoor plumbing until 1985. 85, yeah, things like that. So we found some cool things. We have a metal detector. Goes in the land. He finds all kinds of really cool stuff. The coolest thing so far is King George II's they're a British coin minted between 1720 and 1760 in our fields here. Just found them metal detecting. So chances are they were dropped by the people who were, you know, cutting down the trees. But the local museum called Mercer Museum, it's a highly decorated museum down here, they think the coins are actually from the Doan gang of Plumston. They were robbers and British spies, and the brother's house is on Old 611, and the other brother's house is Apple Butter. So they think going back and forth here, they must have dropped the coins on our property, and they're doing an exhibit on the Doan brother gang in 2024, and the coins are going to be part of that exhibit. It's kind of cool. And the last thing is the Liberty Bell. Have you guys seen the Liberty Bell?
Yeah.
You seen the Liberty Bell? Cool. So during the Revolutionary War, the Americans were worried that they were going to take the bells out of the towers and the belfries and melt them and turn them into bullets. The British were going to do that. So they decided we're going to take those bells out of the city and hide them somewhere. They took the Liberty Bell to what other Pennsylvania city for 2 years? They put it in the basement of a church in this other city.
Allentown.
Huh?
Allentown.
Allentown, Bethlehem, yes. They took it to Bethlehem. On the way to Allentown and Bethlehem, the wagon broke a wheel in Quakertown. So we know the bell was in Quakertown. So to get to Quakertown from Philadelphia, there's either two ways, up 309 or up 313, which is either way less than 10 miles from this farm. The Liberty Bell was just going off the road, buried in hay. Two farmers that were soldiers were just like acting like they're going somewhere with the Liberty Bell just in the hay. Pretty cool. And now they're doing the Liberty Bell Trail, where they're going to have a bike path that goes all the way from Bethlehem East End and all the way. A bike trail goes all the way back down to Independence Hall. It's complete. I live in Coopersburg, so Quakertown north. I can get on the trail and I can go all the way to Easton along the river on a bike path. And now they're going to make it go all the way from, so it'll be a 65-mile one-way trip. Get that ever excited to simulate the path of how the Liberty Bell went from there to up to Bethlehem. It's kind of cool stuff. Okay, a little U.S. history here. All right, now we're going to go. I can make it a little bumpier. What do you guys think?
Yay.
There's a choice. Bumpy or
Well, no, I can make it really bumpy, but I can just make it sort of bumpy.
Bumpy.
A little bumpier than coming here.
Ultra bumpy.
Especially this sixth section here is going to be definitely bumpy. Then from there we can. So, what do you think?
Yeah, bumpy.
I vote
Bumpy.
smooth
Bumpy.
sailing.
All right, I will do my best.
Bumpier. Make it bumpier.
That's it. I'm outvoted. That's it.
No, we'll go medium or so. Okay. But this around the corner down the hill is definitely fairly bumpy, just by nature.
El futbolín que todos queremos.
Párate allá. Párate en el other red. En el other red. Red, Lucas, red. In the red.
3, 2, 1, go!
Chino, tú van a correr con Sebastián. No, Sebastián, you have to be in one place.
¿Y cómo entro yo?
¿Abriste el arco?
Pasamos el arco.
Ya, Sebastián, tú ya tenés el blue. Ya. Okay, Lucas, you have to kick the ball to Tijan. Okay, I want to pass you and kick the ball to Tijan. Kick the ball to Tijan.
Ese malo.
¿Te llegó?
El que hace gol gana, ¿Qué apostamos? ¿La cola? ¿Qué apostamos? ¿La cola? Haz el gol. Uy, no. Zurdo, ese zurdo malo.
Yours. Parte duro.
Eso, para allá, Lucas. Para allá te ganas un vaso de cola,
Ahí, dale. Eso. Lucas. Lucas, toma. You don't want to. Okay, yo. You don't want to. Stand over there.
So,
You do young against me.
now how about me against you?
You do young against me.
Estoy dormido, mamá. Tramposo ese uñazo, igual puto.
Dale. Okay, ahora sí.
Estoy con la cámara, pues no puedo.
Vale la cámara.
Dale, dale. ¡Ah, gané! ¡Gané!
Son 3 goles.
Ah, son 3 goles. Ay, Dios. Dale, pasó. Estoy con eso, allá abajo. Dos cero. Me está grabando por allá, tu madre. Mira, que está grabando por allá. Me está grabando por allá.
Me ve la cámara, me ve la cámara. Hasta que ella con los ojos.
A la vez. Puta. Imagínate que yo no sé qué grabó mi madre. Dame la bolsa.
Sebas.
Bueno, ya para la casa nos vamos. Esta fue la visita aquí al farm este. Vamos a buscar otro. Yo creo que vamos a estar yendo al Hellerick, creo. O al Cartoon. O el Cartoon Park. Cartoon Network Park, no sé cómo se llama. Eso va a ser la próxima semana, creo, en 2 semanas. Eso vamos a ver qué tal. Bueno, me muero. Bueno, me voy a meter a la piscina. ¿Estás a otra piscina más tarde? ¿Con esa volada? Yo me meto. ¿Ah? Está fresca, pero con este calor que hace que me muero, me voy a meter. Bueno, me voy. Nos vemos. Se cuidan.